let me go ahead and tell you what you're gonna do. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit that like, you're gonna hit that subscribe button, and you're gonna comment down below, okay? Or else I'm gonna.
Welcome back to another episode of our Backlog Entertainment. I've got a couple Pokemon packs to open up. I've been really eager to open up these Brilliant Stars packs. So, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Let's see, card trick should be 4 from the back. Ooh, that was nice and easy to open. Let's go ahead and hop right into this bad boy. Get a code for the boys. Alright. Psychic Energy. Dusclops. Baratic. Roseanne's backup. Starly. Milcery. Curablast. Clefairy. Cherubi. Wait a minute, I think I got the rarest card in the game here, man. Urshifu VMAX. Bam! Check that bad boy out, man. That is sick. And that came in the slot before the rare slot, man. That is sick. Okay. Clefable. Non-holographic rare. Let's hop right into the next pack here. Another code for the boys. Energy. Magma Basin. Crawdon. Ultra Ball. That's how you're gonna catch them all right there. Shroomish. Piplup. Turtwig. Sneasel. Sorry if the quality's not that great. Got that Clink. Gloria. And a V card. We got a Mimikyu, y'all. Mimikyu V. Beautiful design on that. Let's hop right into the next one. Get your digital code for you online TCG fans. Hey, Fighting Energy. Pot Helmet. Stiglift. Acerola's Premonition. Cast Form. Baltoy. Chimchar. I'm gonna ask you a question. Nose Pass. Baltoy. Reverse Hollow. Lepard. Maybe Lipard, because he's a liar. He's a liar. Hopping into another pack here. So far, got some pretty nice hits, man. Can't believe I got that golden VMAX. Alright. That card there with the code. 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Barry, which is better than Gary, because Gary's a dickhead. Clang. Torkoal, Electabuzz, Halucha, Buizel, Gible, Trapinch. The boss's orders. Not just the boss, the boss is. Boss's orders. Looks like holographic rare Dusknoir. Another code coming your way. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got that steel energy. Got a Dusclops. Starmie. For you. See, Cynthia's ambition. Spiritomb. Purloin. Don't get it confused with Sirloin. Milstery. Shinx. Impidimp. Reverse Hollow. Purloin. And it looks like the non-holographic rare is going to be a Clink Clank. Just for all the y'all that are not aware, in the background, we got that got that reveal for that Scarlet and Violet trailer. Man, that right there was sick. Really, really excited to check that out. Another pack. Got that code. Electric Energy. Sharon's Care. Veritic. Don't get it confused with Heretic. Collapse Stadium. Chimchico. Chimchar. Minchino. Let's go with that. Baltoy. Snowrun. Reverse Hollow Rare Grimmsnarl. I love the art on these. Garchomp is the rare holographic. Alright. Got just 2 more packs here, y'all. 2 more packs. I don't be messing around when I open up a pack. Toss that off to the side real quick here. Get that code for you. Electric Energy. Gabite. Gloria. Staravia. Jinx. Farfetch'd. Execute. Grimer. Clefairy. Reverse Hollow Double Turbo Energy. And for the rare, we got a Heatran. Non-holographic. Last pack magic, baby. Let's see what happens. Oh, I done melted that pack. That code for the boys. Electric Energy. Double Turbo Energy. Grotto. Prinplup. Execute. Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Claydog, Reverse Hollow, and Galurk. It's not a holographic, but it's our final card. Alright, y'all. It was fun. Really, really killer pickups. I mean, let's see what we got here. Pretty much my favorite card is the litter right here. Whew. Check that out, though, man. That is some golden magic. Wonder how much that's worth. Rapid Strike, Urshifu. You ain't messing with this fool. That Mimikyu V again, so y'all get that whole look. And that Dusknoir again. I know I had another one in here, but I ain't digging around looking for it neither. Anyway, that's my video, y'all. Have a good day. Peace. X buys with Nintendo, baby.